Yo, what's up, YouTube? We out here getting the video in because my car is down. So we're going to record another car that came to us down. Interesting enough. No.
Not running.
Don't run.
This is a great financial decision.
This was the most awful financial decision that anyone in BBR has ever made. Let's talk about it. Come on.
Santana bought a 392 Scat Pack.
He's not wrong. He did. That was an awful decision. But this is a 3-valve Mustang. This is barely a V8.
I paid $700 for it.
Does it run?
It started.
Is that a compression tester?
Nope.
No, don't hide it. Zooms in.
Nope.
All right, yeah, definitely a compression tester. But yeah, we about to show y'all something.
It's either gonna be really good.
Wait on this one. So if you're wondering, yes, we are compression testing this POS.
No.
He did pay $700 for it, so we're hoping we can get it to run. For whatever reason, he gave up on drag racing and has decided to start the career of drifting. No,
I didn't give up on drag racing. It's just something else that's fun to do. It's so much cheaper than drag racing.
drifting is cheaper than drag racing?
Hell yeah. All I gotta do is buy tires and not hit the wall.
Fair enough. All right, well,
How much did your motor cost?
asking way too many questions.
The one you blew up.
I don't know. It came with the car.
So, how much money you put into that before you blew it up?
Bro, get in the car. Before I tell DPIE that you ain't got tags on this rag, I'll get this motherfucker sent up out of here.
Don't drag me into it. They already don't like you. I'm an innocent bystander.
Yeah.
I got tags.
You're not innocent using my house. So those tags don't belong to this car.
Yes,
Do you have a title for this car, sir?
Yes.
Now,
I've been had a title.
does it have your name on it?
Yes. Yes, it does.
Is it recognized by the state of Maryland?
Fuck it.
All right, get in the car.
He signed in the
Get in the car.
Damn it, raggedy bitch.
This is us doing a compression test. Hold on.
Yeah, so that ain't got threads on it. So I'm gonna need you to hold that joint down in there. Make sure it don't shoot out and hit you in the neck or something. If it has that much compression, that'd be great. That's a great sign, actually.
All right. Awful decision. It definitely has compression. We're not doing this again. Your car just shot something at me.
That was. Do you want me to hold the test?
Yeah, you hold it. Touched my hand. Hey, look, we switching sides, all right? This is what happens when you don't have a appropriate compression tester. If there's compression, then you get problems.
16mm adapter, and that's not gonna be here till tomorrow. But I figured since I got this, you can do this today.
He didn't order no adapter. He's being cheap.
Amazon. And I bought spark plugs.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what it looks like from inside the car.
Nah, I don't want to. Nah, it looks terrible. Yeah,
All right, guys, so we're about to go ahead and crank this car. So this is a manual car. Stick. So clutch all the way in. Sorry, gas all the way in. And now we crank. Pretty ugly process. I'm not gonna make you guys watch all of this, but yeah, so that's what we're doing in a nutshell. We'll get you an update after we check a couple more cylinders. We'll be back. Imagine being in a world where you own 2 3-valve Mustangs. It's not a good decision.
What'd you say?
Do you enjoy owning 2 3-valve Mustangs?
It was a good deal.
You don't believe that.
It was a good deal. $700 for parts. Are you zooming in? I'm zooming in. I can't lie that accurately.
Look at him.
See the pain in my eye. That's all right. It's gonna pay off when I scrap it, probably.
Yeah, scrap metal value.
Nah, taking every part off of it and selling it part for part. You need a harness? Bet. You need headers? I know they crack. All right, bet. Cats? They got cats on.
That was just for EPA compliance. This car does not have cats on it. No, I'm just playing.
All right, let's go. Number 2.
All right, guys, we're getting back to the compression testing. We'll be back. So we're about 3 cylinders in, and they all checked out. Only 5 more cylinders to go. So he might find out that the motor's kind of decent. Maybe. We'll find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. But we'll be right back. After a short while, we found a cylinder with no compression at all. A $700 paperweight. It's going to be fun parting it out, though. It's going to be fun parting it out. This is why Tricky's the crew chief. Nothing. This is why he's the crew chief. But, yeah, we'll be back. All right, so we're on the passenger side now, and we're 0 for 3 for compression right now. The first 3 cylinders did not have compression. If the 4th cylinder does not have compression, then Tricky has successfully bought a 4-cylinder 3-valve, and I'm going to forever call him 4-3. So I'm going to record this one for you guys, and to let you know, if you take a look through this little crease here where you can see him wrenching, you'll see the compression tester. And if there is compression, it's going to let off a little plume of smoke. If there isn't compression, there will be no plume of smoke, and there will probably be me. There will probably be me yelling and laughing, lots and lots of laughing. It's nothing like seeing your friends waste money. He said go ahead, so we're going to go ahead and punch that clutch in, punch that gas all the way to the floor, turn key, and car is going to die. No, that's not why. He's blaming the battery for compression problems. He's the mechanic. He knows better than that. So we're going to put the charger on it, and we're going to come back, and we're going to find out if this is a 4-cylinder 3-valve. And we're back. He decided to jimmy rig it with the jump box, and we're just going to go ahead and punch it and turn and... He almost took himself out.
I got mad and let it go, and then it got compression. What kind of book?
Bro just begged this car for compression. Good God. I just want to give y'all a better look at a 3-valve Mustang with 4.5 cylinders worth of compression and what the owner looks like after a $700 investment has gotten.
Hey. I've spent more money on dumber things.
The admission of that is insane.
Well,
but
I've gone to the casino before.
Did you go with Carlito?
You were there.
Well, at least he's decided to keep his POS. So it'll become more of a project car in the coming months. But right now it's a $700 paperweight parking in front of my house. But in better news, I'll show you something that he has that does run.
It starts.
So it barely starts.
It starts.
His truck runs. It's pretty cool.
No, wait. You was right. Because when I first met you, what did you say? You said I had a Crown Vic coupe.
Yep.
Bitch. This motor, I got this motor to start and run for about 15 seconds with only 4 cylinders instead of 8.
Yep. If that ain't the most Crown Vic BS, I don't know what is.
this is a strong motor. I don't care what you say.
Well, Crown Vic coupe, y'all.
That's what I'm gonna name it.
Well, well, that concludes this episode of Playing with Junk. So it's been fun.
That's a new series. That's crazy.
Only when we're dealing with your cars. All right, guys, it's been real.
Running 7s in mine.
My car runs 7s in the 8th. Don't misinform these people.
Blew up. My car is a piece of junk. Well, I appreciate you.
Your car never ran.
I appreciate you.
Talking about a car that never ran. It doesn't run.
It ran when started.
There's still dirt underneath the wheel from when you got it from the auction because it hasn't moved.
Can you stop snitching down? Damn.
Anyway, we're done playing with junk, guys. So we'll be back at it with another episode of something fun next time. But everybody say bye to Tricky and his POS. Peace.